Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm super excited today to be partnering with a company that I absolutely love. I'm a huge fan of them, and who they are is a company called Yuniqu, and they are a monthly subscription box. A lot of you beauties know I'm obsessed with monthly subscription boxes like a lot of you dolls are. And babes, best of all, they are a luxury perfume subscription box. So I could not be happier because I absolutely love perfume. I think I'm truly addicted to perfume at this point in time. I'm not sure how it happened, but I just have become beyond obsessed with perfume lately. I've always loved perfume, but lately I just love mixing, trying different ones. In the past, I would purchase one and then use it, and it would take me forever to use one bottle. But now I truly enjoy trying different perfumes and making just a scent collection and kind of matching them to your mood and how your vibe for that day and what you'd like to feel like for that day. So that's why I absolutely love Yuniqu, because every 30 days you will receive a new luxury perfume. So I think that's amazing because that fits just in with what I am just loving doing right now, tailoring them to how I feel on each given day, or the mood or the season, or how you want to feel at that time, whether it's fresh and clean or seductive or maybe classy or sophisticated. So I love now how perfume really transforms your mood and your vibe and just your whole day by different perfumes that you might wear. So I'm really into that now, and that's why I'm really super excited. I did get my first package from them here. Now, because this is our first collab, they have sent me a little selection of different perfumes that they have. But normally you would receive one perfume every 30 days. You get about 8 millimeters of product, which equals about 120 sprays. So you get a really nice size. I was waiting, like I always like to do, I like to unbox it with you beauties, and I'm looking in here and I'm like, oh my god, it looks like they have sent me 4 different perfumes to try. So wow, this is amazing. I'm really excited. Yes, wow. So every month, oh my god, they sent me 1, 2, 3, I think they sent me 5 or 6 fragrances. Oh my god, thank you so much, Yuniqu, because this is, like I said, this is my first time seeing it, so I was not expecting all of this. This is amazing. I'm like, I could not be more grateful and happy because, like I said, I'm obsessed with perfume. So wow, there's a lot in here, and I didn't expect it because this is a kind of a small box. But anyway, every month as a subscriber, you'll receive one velvet pouch filled with a perfume. So here is how it will kind of arrive to you in the velvet pouch, and there's going to be a sprayer every 7 months. You'll get a new sprayer. The first time that you get your subscription box, you'll get your first sprayer. And so I'm not sure where the sprayer is in here. These look like the samples. I mean, these look like the actual perfumes that you put inside of these atomizer, I believe it's called, the sprayer. So let me look for, well, let's just go for it, guys, and see. So actually, wait, there is a lot. Okay, I think this might, I have no idea, guys. But look at this. We're gonna open all of these today and find out what's inside. Wow, there's actually, okay, yeah, there's 6. Crazy, amazing, thank you so much. So let me explain it to you dolls while I unbox. But every month you will receive one of these. The subscription price is about $19 and change, so about $20 a month, because it is a European company. They do ship worldwide though, so you can sign up for the subscription in America. So it comes out to about $19.75, I believe. So here it is. And what I really like about this too is that you can choose from over 350 different fragrances in their catalog. The fragrances are all authentic, so you can choose, or you can also go through their perfume finder and you kind of fill out a little questionnaire just based on what notes you might prefer, what seasons, what type of vibe that you'd like, and they'll help you to partner and find a good perfume match for you. So you can also use that. You can also email them. That is also included, so you'll have a scent curator for you if you'd like to speak with them and kind of find a perfume for yourself. So here is the first scent that I just unboxed. This is called ytoday. This is from France. This is all written in French, so I actually can't read it, but wow, I'm super excited to try this. I'll write the name on the screen. It's Evody. So maybe you guys have heard of this. Let me see here. Should I spray it on paper or should I spray it? Let's spray it on the velvet pouch so we can, so I can try all of them today. Oh, that's really nice. Wow. Wow, this is very sophisticated. It smells so luxurious. Wow, it smells so, oh my God, it smells something like a Hermes or something like that. Wow. So I'm gonna keep going, guys, because we do have 6 here. I can't believe it. That is something I would definitely, it's a richer scent, so I would definitely want to wear that in the colder months. It does also remind me of like a Chanel No. 5. So wow, it smells incredible. I'm really shocked. So now these are all niche fragrances, so as well. So there are 350 different niche fragrances for you to choose from. So a lot of these are from Europe. Oh, here's my sprayer. So this is the atomizer. So you go ahead and just open this up. Oh, is there another fragrance in here already? Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. So they sent me 7 fragrances. Wow, that is so nice of them. Oh my gosh. So this is called Tutu Tondo. This is from Italy. So I believe actually these might all be fragrances that are European houses. So let's try this one. Oh, this one has like a lemon-esque water. It reminds me of like a Capri, like, wow, that smells so good. So I'll write all the names. I'll list all the names below if you guys are interested in checking these out. I'll have them all listed below or on the screen here. So let me go ahead and open another one. So like I was saying, it comes out to about US about 1975. In Euro it's 17.95, I believe. So it's every 30 days you'll receive a new fragrance, and you can cancel at any time. So it's really, really amazing. These are all artisan fragrances and really unique scents that for the most part I feel like everybody is just going to be stopping and asking you, what are you wearing? That smells incredible. So this one is Caron. This is also from France. So let me go ahead and spray it right on here. Oh, this one is my favorite so far because it's a little on the lighter side. Again, it smells so luxurious. So, oh my God, there are so many notes that just, oh my God, oh my God, this one is really, I could see myself wearing this on, this could be like my signature scent. Wow. I got to come back to this. This smells incredible. It's Caron Infini. So beautiful, made in France. I'm gonna put this in my atomizer for now because I have a feeling this is gonna be my jam. So let me go ahead and leave that right there. And let's just go ahead and keep opening them because I can't believe how incredible these smell. And they smell, oh my God, like nothing I've ever smelled before. So you're definitely going to have people stopping and asking you, what are you wearing? It smells so incredible. I could totally see that happening with these scents. So here is another Italian perfume. This is Gritty. I wish I could say that with an Italian accent. I'm sure that would sound amazing. Chantilly. I'm gonna just butcher it, so feel free to butcher how I'm saying it. I know I'm completely on board with you guys. I know I just butchered that. So let me go ahead and spray this one. This is also very light. Oh my God, this is so nice too. The other one that I just put in my atomizer is a little bit on the maybe sweeter side. This is kind of like caramel-esque. Oh, this is like vanilla. Oh my God, now it's drawing down to vanilla. And oh my God, I love that. When the vanilla is like, okay, no, this is my favorite. Oh my God. Okay, I really want to put that on my body right now, but let me put it in here just so I save that. This one is more like sensual vanilla, dried down to vanilla. The vanilla is not the top note, so it doesn't come out sweet. It comes out kind of not musky, but not intense. I don't know, guys. I'm very bad at describing fragrances, but wow. Oh, this smells so good. I'm really wow, that was amazing. So like, oh my gosh, guys, I got 2 more here to open, so let me keep it going. So have you beauties heard of any of these fragrances so far? They're all very just custom artisan houses, artisan type of niche fragrance. So amazing. Oh, they sent another atomizer. This is a gorgeous color. Wow, it's like a lavender-esque. Oh, I love that color. Wow. So there is a fragrance in here. Let me see, this is Robert Piquet from France. So let me spray this one. Oh, that smells so, oh, this is one of those scents. It's almost like, oh my God, this smells so good. Wow. It reminds me of like a, what is that scent? It kind of smells like, it doesn't smell like candy, but it has like that, oh, they dry down to something totally different. Wow. It starts off very bright and happy, and then it's very clean and fresh, energizing. These are so much more richer, have so much more to them than the perfumes I've been buying at Sephora. And I've been purchasing some really nice perfumes lately, like Dior, and I just purchased a Moschino, and they have so much more life to them. They have so many more different layers to them. Wow. Oh, that is really, really beautiful. This is a very clean, it started off kind of fun and not fruity, but, and then it kind of dried down to, oh my God, just a very, oh, clean and happy scent. Wow. Very, very clean scent. I love clean scents. I really do. They make me feel actually like fresh and revived and energized. So I love to feel that way, especially in the daytime when you're heading out the door. It just kind of gives you a boost and an energy and an excitement for the day. So that's definitely that kind of scent that you would want to wear in the day. This one that I'm loving so far, my favorite, I think is Gritty. This can take you from day to night, but it's definitely a little bit more sensual. I'll list all these below, guys. That smelled really, really good. Wow. So this is my final scent here. This is also from Italy, Perfume Pentaliera. I'm totally said that totally wrong, but let me give it a spray. Wow. It's so amazing how they do start off. These have so many different layers to them that they start off one way and then they're just like transforming into something else. Oh my God. Oh, see, this transformed into something totally different, but equally gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh, I really like this one too. I can't decide. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on. I think this is the one that I originally said I just could, because it dried down to sweetness, and I love that. It's like going to Italy or France. That's what I feel like. I actually feel right now like I've gone to Italy and I've come home with all these artisan, handmade, just perfumes that you can't get anywhere else. That's what these are. These are actually like going to Italy, going to France, and coming home with the most incredible scents and fragrances. Except you don't have to go to Italy, you don't have to make that trip, you don't have to fly to France. So, I feel actually right now, I feel like transported to like Europe. Wow. These are amazing. And can I tell you, dolls, if you mix in one of these scents with a perfume that you have from like, say, Sephora or, Ulta, it's going to make the most incredible combination, because these are very, very pure. You can smell the pure parfum, and compared to what I purchased from, well, I just did purchase a Moschino fragrance. I mean, it's very expensive, but it smells almost like alcohol compared to these, you know what I mean? So, wow. So this is definitely worth signing up for, because you can mix, like I said, you can mix these into other perfumes that you have, and you're going to get the most incredible scents ever. So I could not recommend this more. So I highly recommend this perfume subscription, luxury perfume subscription. I think if you are a perfume lover, you will love this. If you love just really authentic, incredible, to feel like something really incredible and then just amazing, this is definitely going to transport you and make you, I actually do feel like now like somebody would, like oh my God, it's amazing. Like I was saying earlier, this is a monthly subscription box. Every 30 days you will get a new scent, you'll get a new 8mm bottle of perfume of your choice, and you will get a new sprayer every 7 months. So every 7 months you'll get a new atomizer to for your perfume for your perfume. So that's pretty much it, beauties. Let me know if you have tried Yuniqu. Are you a perfume addict? I would love to hear below. Let me know your favorite perfumes or your favorite scents. These are amazing. I'm going to have their link below so you can check them out, and I believe I do have a promo code as well, so it'll all be a link below. So I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.